Hey everyone, welcome back to AppInsight AI, your go-to channel for all things AI-powered tools and video creation. If you're looking to take your video content to the next level, but don't want to spend hours editing, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful, free, online AI video creation tool, veed.io. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, this tutorial will show you how to easily create engaging, professional quality videos in minutes. No advanced editing skills required. And here's the best part. I'll not only walk you through the step-by-step process, but I'll also share a secret tip at the end of this video on how you can use veed.io for free, indefinitely. So make sure to stick around for that. Before we dive in, let me give you a sneak peek of what we're going to create: a health video, one of the most lucrative niches out there. Just think about this. There's a health-focused YouTube channel that's uploaded only 2.8 thousand videos, but has amassed a whopping 3.5 million subscribers. Not to mention, this channel earns around $6,700 in monthly revenue. And guess what? The videos aren't overly complicated. They use AI voiceovers, and the creator doesn't even show their face. Pretty inspiring, right? With tools like veed.io, you can achieve the same results. So, without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. Step 1. Logging into veed.io and exploring the dashboard. First things first, head over to veed.io and log in using your email. After logging in, you'll select the free plan. Now, once you're in, you'll see the user-friendly interface that makes video creation a breeze. On the dashboard, you'll find several options like create new project, record video, create an avatar, use a Veed template, AI text to video. For today's tutorial, we'll focus on two main options: create new project and AI text to video. These tools are powerful and will help you create high-quality videos with minimal effort. Step 2. Creating a new project with AI. Let's start by clicking on Create New Project. You'll have three options: upload a file, start by recording, start with AI. Since we're showcasing veed.io's AI capabilities, click on Start with AI. This feature is an absolute game changer. You simply need to input your video title, and veed.io does the heavy lifting by writing the script and generating the video for you. Let's say I want to create a video titled Healing Foods, the best natural remedies in your kitchen. I'll paste that in, and then click Generate Video. veed.io will automatically process the video. Don't worry if it starts in portrait mode, we can adjust that in just a second. Once the video is processed, you'll have the option to change the format. For a YouTube video, we'll switch it to YouTube landscape. You can also adjust the background color to suit your theme. Step 3. Customizing your video. Now that we have the basics, let's dive into customizing the video to make it unique and professional. Under the audio section, you'll see an option to clean your audio. This is perfect if you're dealing with any background noise. Here's another great feature: you can translate your video into any language. This is super useful if you're targeting a global audience. For this video, we'll stick with US English, but feel free to explore the language options. Next, let's work on the subtitles. Subtitles are crucial for engagement, and veed.io makes it easy to customize them. Simply click on the subtitle layer, then on Style to change the appearance. I prefer a clean, modern look, so I'll pick a style that's professional and eye-catching. Want to reposition the subtitles? No problem. You can drag them to the bottom of the screen for a more polished look. Step 4. Working with layers in veed.io. There are 4 main layers in your project. Number 1. Subtitle layer. Number 2. Audio track. Number 3. Video track. Number 4. Music track. For this project, I'm going to remove the default music track because I plan to add background music from YouTube's audio library later. The YouTube audio library offers free, copyright-safe music that's perfect for enhancing your videos. Once you're satisfied with your layers, hit play to preview your video.
You know that your kitchen is a treasure trove of healing foods? Ginger, for instance, is a powerhouse for digestion and can help soothe nausea. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow hue.
Step 5. Exporting the video. Now that everything looks great, click on Done and then Export Video. Keep in mind, if you're using the free version of veed.io, your video will have a watermark. However, there are ways to remove watermarks for free. I'll talk more about that later. But for now, let's export the video in MP4 format by clicking on the download icon. And there you have it. Your video is ready. Let's see video.
Did you know that your kitchen is a treasure trove of healing foods? Ginger, for instance, is a powerhouse for digestion and can help soothe nausea. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow hue, is packed with curcumin, which fights inflammation and boosts your immune system. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it's a natural antibiotic that can help fend off colds. And let's not forget about honey. Its antibacterial properties make it a sweet remedy for sore throats. So next time you're feeling under the weather, skip the pharmacy and reach for these natural wonders right in your pantry.
It looks fantastic, doesn't it? About watermark removing, I will talk end of the video. Step 7. Using the AI text-to-video tool. Now, let's explore the second option, AI text-to-video. Let's go home dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose a video format. Let's go with social media. Here, I'll paste the script here that was generated with ChatGPT. If you're looking for free YouTube script writing, ChatGPT is an excellent tool to try. I've used it to create this script, and it works perfectly. Now, let's dive right into the tutorial. After paste your script into the provided field and click on Generate Video. Again, the video might initially generate in portrait mode, but we'll switch it to landscape for YouTube compatibility. One of the coolest features here is the ability to customize the avatar in your video. Let's take a look at the various options available. I'm selecting a professional avatar that fits the tone of my video. Next, we'll tweak the subtitle style again. I like the Riz style. It's bold and attention-grabbing. After choosing that, click on Continue. If you want to review or edit the script at this stage, Veedio makes it easy to go back and make changes. I'm happy with the script, so I'll click Continue and let the AI process the video. Step 8. Final touches once the video is generated. We'll again customize the subtitles by clicking on the subtitle layer and selecting the style. I'm sticking with the same style as before for consistency. We'll also remove the default music track again, and I recommend using YouTube's audio library for safe, royalty-free music. If the audio track is noisy, Veedio has a built-in clean audio feature. Just click on it, and the AI will filter out any background noise, leaving you with crisp, clear sound. It's quick and super effective. For an added professional touch, don't forget to click on the eye contact option, which ensures your avatar makes eye contact with the viewer, boosting engagement. Once everything is set, click Done and export video, and just like that, your video is ready to be downloaded and shared. Let's see video.
Looking for natural remedies right in your kitchen? Let's dive into some amazing options. First up, honey. This sweet delight isn't just for your tea. It's packed with antibacterial properties that can soothe sore throats and help heal wounds. Next, we have garlic. This little powerhouse is loaded with antioxidants, boosting your immune system and helping fend off colds. If you're dealing with a stomach ache, ginger is your go-to. Whether in tea or added to meals, it's fantastic for easing nausea and bloating.
Now let's talk about removing the watermark as promised. While Veedio adds a watermark in the free version, you can easily remove it using free online watermark removal tools. A simple Google search will bring up several options, and these tools can remove the watermark in seconds without compromising the video quality. That's it for today's tutorial. Veedio is an incredibly powerful, free tool that makes video creation quick, easy, and professional. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, social media, or a personal project, Veedio has everything you need to produce high-quality videos without breaking the bank. And don't forget that tip I mentioned earlier. You can use Veedio indefinitely for free by simply creating multiple email accounts for login. It's a neat trick that ensures you can take full advantage of this tool without having to upgrade to a paid plan. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to AppInsight AI for more AI-powered tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. See you in the next video.